Today's video feature is how does a lawyer get ready for a workers' compensation hearing? Well, the basic process is the same, and over 31 years I have developed my own way of doing it. Every lawyer has a different system. I typically get home where I can be alone and not disturbed or distracted by phone calls. It's usually in the evening or even on the weekends because it's very important that I not be distracted while I'm getting ready for trial. Now, I take the client's file in full. I look at all the medical records. They are divided up for me by medical provider, and I look at every page, every line with my yellow highlighter ready, and I go from the beginning of your medical treatment all the way through to the end. Now, as I'm reviewing those records, I'm going to highlight those portions that I think help your position, help your case, and I'm going to do that in yellow. Those records that I think do not help you or may even hurt your case, I will put a little red star by them and underline those portions that I need to be prepared for. Now, if it's an accepted case and the only issue at hearing is how much disability are you seeking, then I take those medical records and I make a few notes so that I can give a brief summary to the commissioner in the pre-hearing conference, and then I calculate the value of the impairment ratings. And those are very easy to do. You take the body part affected times the percentage of impairment times your compensation rate, and that will tell us to the penny what those ratings are worth. Then I jot down the other factors that the commission looks at: your age, your education, your work history, any future medical care needs, any permanent restrictions, any prosthetic devices. And then, of course, I'm always interested to know which commissioner is going to be hearing your case, because each commissioner is slightly different. Some like their records presented to them in a different way. Some like their case presented in a different way. Now, in a contested case, I have to look at not only your testimony, but potentially others who may be witnesses to your accident or witnesses who will be opposing you. So in your situation, I jot down a few notes so that we have some bullet points on the issues that need to be covered. You can never fully script out any testimony because, frankly, trials are very fluid, and experience will teach you that. So I basically have bullet points that I make sure are covered, and then we go live at the hearing with your testimony. Now, before the hearing, you and I will sit down together and we will go over your expected testimony. I will also go over what to expect at the hearing and the hearing procedure, so that hopefully you get a good night's sleep just like I will the night before your case is heard. Obviously, we answer all of your questions and we give you an idea of what we're going for, and then we get ready to go to trial. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have additional questions, my number is 704-351-7979 mobile, or you can email me, Robert at rjrlaw.com. Thank you.